Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, recently visited the newly appointed Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momoh, to brief him on the state of affairs in the Commission since he mounted the saddle of leadership in January this year. A correspondent reports that the NDDC boss had highlighted efforts made so far to keep the Commission on track in carrying out its statutory mandate as an intervention agency.
In recognition of the fact that the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) is directly supervised by the Ministry of Niger Delta Development, the Commission's Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, had gone to brief the newly appointed Minister, Engineer Abubakar Momoh, of his activities in the last 8 months. During the recent visit, Dr. Ogbuku said his achievements include internal reforms carried out to enhance productivity and improved welfare to motivate staff of the Commission. Dr. Ogbuku also informed the Minister that the NDDC was contending with paucity of funds to complete several stalled projects awarded to promote rapid development in the Niger Delta region. The NDDC boss informed his hosts that his team had made it a policy to go into partnerships and get the Commission's budgeting right to address the challenge of stalled projects in the region.
All these we are doing for the sake of confidence building and to ensure that yes, we speed up the development in the Niger Delta. Because sometimes some of the things that stall projects we have seen is the issue of budgeting. Because if, due to our procurement procedures, if you have a project of 40 billion and the budgeted provision is 6 billion naira, that means that project is not going to complete within the shortest period. That means it's going to take maybe a lifetime of 8 years to 7 years. And within that, one management has ended, another management comes. They don't make it their priority and they abandon the project. So that is why we believe partnership is the way to go.
In his response, Engineer Momoh noted that there was an urgent need to address the many challenges confronting the NDDC and the Niger Delta region through collaborative efforts.
We must brace up to face the challenges, and we have to go beyond rhetorics to make sure that corporate actions are being achieved.
Engineer Momoh said through collaborative efforts, his ministry and the NDDC will be able to deliver enduring projects that were capable of promoting rapid development in the region.
If you want to build 1 kilometer network road, let that 1 kilometer be 1 kilometer that can last for the next 30 years. So we cannot continue as it used to be in the past. I think this has to be made known and made clear to all those who are involved, because we shall be actively involved in the supervision of the projects, and those of you in the directorate whose responsibility is to see that the right thing is done. You just have to brace up.
The Honorable Minister of Niger Delta Development noted that it was incumbent on his ministry and the NDDC to work as a team to effectively implement President Bola Tinubu's vision for the Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.